Hello students, last class we have revised square and square root and properties of a square. I have explained method to find prime factorization method, square root to find prime factorization method and long division method. Now we will go for next our topic, that is cube, means cube of any number, how to find cube or what is cube, like that. Just you see here, cube of any number means if any number multiplied 3 times itself, that is called cube of any number, means that is called cube. Means a, just I am taken one example, a is any natural number or any integer or fraction maybe. So a into a raised to the power 3 means a has power 3, that is called, we will read like this, a cube. Okay, or you can take just your example 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1 cube. If you multiply 3 times it will come one answer only. So 1 we will read like this, 1 cube. Or you can just you take next 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 power 3. Or we can see you can read like this, 2 cube means 2 power 3, 8 will come. Next 3 into 3 into 3, then 3 power 3, it will come 3 raised to the power 3, then it will come 27. Okay, 4 into 4 into 4, then it will come 4 power 3, so 4 power 3 it will come 64. Okay, next one. So same process we will follow next for next whatever number will come. Means if in any number multiply 3 times itself, then we can say that is cube. Or just we will write 5 into 5, so 5 cube, it will come 125. Multiply 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. Same here also, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So just you multiply 3 times any number, then answer will come, that will be cube. Next one, 6 into 6 into 6, so 6 power 3, then answer will come 216. Okay, next one, just you see here, 7 into 7 into 7. Next one is 7 into 7 into 7, means 7 power 3, it will come 343. Okay, means 7 cube is 343. We multiply 7 7 is 49, 49 7 is 343 will come. Next one, 8 into 8 into 8 means 8 cube. So answer will come 512. If we multiply 8 8 is 64, 64 8 is 512 will come. Next, 9 into 9 into 9, then it will come 9 power 3, that is 729. Okay, if you multiply 9 9 is 81, 81 9 is 729 will come. Means 9 cube is 729. Next one is 10 into 10 into 10. Then it will come 10 power 3, that is 1000. Okay, so final answer is 1000. If multiply 10 10 is 100, 100 10 is 1000 will come. Okay, so final answer is 1000. If you will do the same, whatever you will multiply, you will get this type of answer. Means here 1 cube means 1. Just you see here, if you will, any digit has unit digit 1, then cube is also 1. If you have any number has unit digit is 2, then cube of that number ends with 8. Of any number unit digit is 3, then cube of that number ends with 7. Because here 27 is 10. If any number has unit digit 4, then cube of that number ends with 4. Okay, means 4, then same will come. And here also 1 is same, but in 2 8 will come and 3 7 will come. Now if any number ends unit digit is 5, then the unit digit will be 5. Again, if any number has unit digit is 6, then cube of that number is unit digit is 6. Then 7, if any number has unit digit is 7, then cube of that number ends with 3. If any number has unit digit is 8, then cube of that number ends with 2. If any number has unit digit is 9, then cube of that number ends with 9. If any number has unit digit is 0, then cube of that number unit digit is 0. Okay, so these are the shortcut method. If any question will come like this, if bigger number is given, we have to find unit digit of the cube of that number. So no need to multiply that number 3 times. Just you see the last digit, means if I will write 57, we want to find cube of this number, unit, what is the unit digit of cube of this number. So just you see as 7 cube. 7 cube means ends with 3. If you will remember, then this whole number is also has unit digit is 3. Means if you will multiply 3 times, then unit digit will come same 3. Okay. So no need to multiply, just you remember cube of 7. Okay. Next, our topic is properties of cube. Properties of cube of any number. Okay. Means already we have learned. These are also similar, same. We have two property. Similar property. So just write down here properties of cube. Properties of cube number. First one, cube of odd number is always odd. Cube of odd number is always odd. Okay, means just you take any odd number, means 1 cube. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, then answer will come 1 only, because this one is also odd and this one is also odd. Next one, just you take next 13 cube. 13 is an odd, so 13 into 13 into 13. So how much will come? 13 into 13. If you multiply 13, 13 ja 169 will come. 169 into 13, how much will come? 9 3 ja 27, carry 2. And 6 3 ja 18, 18 plus 2, 10, carry. Again 2, this one is 5. Then 9, this one is 6, 1. Write down as 7, 9 will come, 6 plus 5, 1 will come, then 2, means 2197. 2197, this one is an odd number. So always remember, cube of any odd number is always odd. Next, our next property is cube of any even number. Cube of even number is always even. Cube of even number is even. Cube of even number is always even. Okay, means just you take any even number, means 4 cube. 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4, it will come 64. Or you can take next example, 12 cube. This one is an even number, so 12 into 12 into 12. If you multiply 4 4 ja 6, 12 12 ja 144. 144 into 12, multiply 2 8 8. This one is 4, and then 4 1 8. 8 plus 4, 12 will come. This one is 7 and then 1, means 1 7 to 8. 1 7 to 8. This one is an even number, because 12 even number also. So cube of even number is always even. Just you remember this property. Next property is third one. Cube of any negative integer always negative. Cube of any negative integer, or you can say negative rational number, then answer will also a negative. Means third is cube of any negative number is always negative. Is always negative. Okay, means just you take example. If question is given minus 2 cube, whole cube, means we have to multiply by 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Then how will multiply? Minus minus will get plus, but 2 2s are 4, but 1 minus is there. So again 4 into minus 2, it will come minus 8. Okay, means cube of any negative integer is always negative, answer will come always negative. Or you can take any fraction also, means in rational number also 3 upon 4, then cube of this minus 3 upon 4 into minus 3 upon 4 into minus 3 upon 4, again minus minus will get plus, and 3 3 is a 9 upon 16. So here 9 upon 16 into minus 3 upon 4 again is there, one more is there. So 9 3 are 27 and minus is there, means minus 27, and 16 4 are 64 will come. So just remember, cube of any negative number is always negative. Okay. So you have to do the same process in the exercise. You have to use, if this type of question will come, you have to use the property and then answer. So you have to do in the exercise. Okay, that's all.